What's up guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a DIY leave-in conditioner that's going to be really moisturizing for your natural hair. If you're interested, just keep on watching. My name is Jova, helping you build more confidence in your natural hair the natural way. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's jump into this. The first thing we're gonna need is gonna be a measuring cup, and we're gonna need some rose water. Rose water has moisturizing properties. We're gonna need some vegetable glycerin, moisturizing also, and it helps with damaged hair. We're gonna need some honey, which help also with damaged hair, but it attracts moisture from the hair. So if you're living in a humid area, honey is one of the best things you can put in your DIY stuff to attract moisture from the hair if you have dry hair. We're gonna need also some aloe vera. Aloe vera is good for dry hair, and it also has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. So if you have scalp issues, aloe vera is a good thing to put in your DIY thing as well. We're gonna need thyme leaf. This is the main thing we're gonna be using for DIY leave-in conditioner that's gonna help with hair regrowth and alopecia. It is optional to put some peppermint essential oil, but peppermint essential oil has stimulating properties. This is one thing that's gonna help your hair grow faster too, and it has a cooling sensation. We're gonna need also a spray bottle. You take some thyme leaves, you put it in your measuring cup, and you can add some hot water, a cup of hot water in your measuring cup. You pour it on your thyme leaves. You're gonna let this cool down. Once your water is ready, your thyme water is ready, you take off the thyme leaves, and now it's cool. We can just put our ingredient. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of honey. Like I said, honey has moisturizing properties, and it's gonna attract moisture from the air into your hair. We can add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin as well, which has moisturizing properties, and it aids with repair and damaged hair. It's also good for skin, so if you want a moisturizing thing for your skin, you can just use it too. We're gonna put some aloe vera gel as well, and you can add some glycerin, some rose water glycerin. You can put more, but it's optional. I put 2 tablespoons, and sometimes I add 1/2 of a cup of rose water in it, but it's optional. Now your DIY leave-in conditioner is ready. You just have to pour it in your spray bottle. I like to use this because it's gonna help not spin the water everywhere, and I use this as well so I don't let any chunk go into the spray bottle, because it's gonna be difficult to spray it in your hair if any of this chunk goes into your spray bottle. The next thing that I do is optional. I put 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. You can put more also. You can mix peppermint and rosemary essential oil. You can mix it with anything that's stimulating and helps with dandruff. Tea tree is good for that as well. And your DIY leave-in conditioner is ready to be used. Now your DIY leave-in conditioner is ready to be used. You can just spray it all over your scalp every day, and it's best to use it twice a day if you can, in the morning and at night when you're going to sleep. You can just put it everywhere in your hair, especially your edges. It's gonna thank you. It's gonna help with growing your hair and make your edges stronger. So don't forget to put it in the fridge because it doesn't have any preservative to extend the shelf life, so it's best to keep it in the fridge when anytime you're not using it, because you don't want any bacteria to grow in your hair. So don't forget to put it in the fridge and use it within a week or so. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.